Good morning, everyone. So our topic for today is about place value and value of a digit. So for our first activity, kindly arrange the jumbled letters. Clue, these are the place values. I will give you 5 seconds to answer this. What word is it? Very good. It is tens. How about this? Very good. It is hundreds. How about this? Very good. It is thousands. How about this? Very good. It is 10,000s. So here is the place value chart. We have here units and thousands. In the units, it includes ones, tens, hundreds. And in thousands, it includes thousands, 10,000s, and 100,000s. So, ang tamang pagkakasunod-sunod ng mga place value na to ay ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, and 100,000s. So now let's analyze this example. We have here 298,170. So again, ito yung mga place values. We have the ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, and 100,000s. So dito, ang digits, ibig sabihin ng digits ay mga numbers. And then mamaya yung values, malalaman nyo kung ano siya. So kung babasahin natin tong numbers according to their place values, syempre mauuna ang ones. Ito ang ones, then tens, ang number 7, hundreds, number 1, thousands ang number 8, 10,000s ang number 9, and 100,000s number 2. Again, we have ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, and 100,000s. Kung ilalagay natin siya sa digits, ang nasa ones place ay 0. Ang nasa tens place naman ay 7. Ang nasa hundreds place ay 1. Ang nasa thousands place ay 8. Ang nasa 10,000s place ay 9. At ang nasa 100,000s place ay number 2. So, madali lang siya kapag alam nyo yung tamang pagkakasunod-sunod ng mga place values. Basta mauuna tayo sa ones place. Again, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, and 100,000s. Ngayon naman, dito naman tayo sa mga values. Ano ba yung kanyang values? So, ang 0, dahil siya ay nasa ones place, ang kanyang value is 0. Then, 7, dahil siya ay nasa tens place, ang kanyang value ay 70. Then, itong si number 1, dahil siya ay nasa hundreds place, siya ay nagiging 100 ang kanyang value. Then, si 8, dahil siya ay nasa thousands place, ang kanyang value ay 8,000. Then, si 9, dahil siya ay nasa 10,000s place, ang kanyang value ay 90,000. Then si 100,000 then si number 2 naman, dahil siya ay nasa place value na 100,000, siya ay 200,000. So, naiintindihan ba? So, mamaya meron pa tayong mga examples para mas lalo nyo maintindihan. So, now, let's identify the place values and value of 123,345. Again, basahin muna natin siya gamit yung mga place values. We have ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. So now, let's put the digits in its place values. So si 5, siya ay ones. Ang nasa tens naman, si number 4. Ang nasa hundreds ay si number 3. Ang nasa thousands ay si number 3. At ang nasa 10,000s ay si number 2. At ang nasa 100,000s ay si number 1. Okay, ngayon, ang value naman ng mga numbers na to. So, since si 5 ay nasa ones place, siya ay 5 pa rin. Then, si 4, dahil siya ay nasa tens place, siya ay 40. Si 3, dahil siya ay nasa hundreds place, ang kanyang value ay 300. Then, si 3 naman dito, dahil siya ay nasa thousands place, siya ay 3,000. Then si number 2, dahil siya ay nasa 10,000s place, siya ay 20,000. And si number 1, dahil siya ay nasa 100,000s place, ang kanyang value ay 100,000. Now next, let's identify the place value and value of 346,982. Now let's read again according to its place value. We have ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. Now let's put those numbers or digits in according to its place values. So sa ones place, we have number 2. Sa tens place, we have number 8. Sa hundreds place, we have number 9. In the thousands place, we have number 6. In the 10,000s place, we have number 4. And in the 100,000s place, we have 3. Now, let's write the values of these numbers. Since number 2 is in the ones place, it is still number 2. Number 8 is in the tens place, therefore, it is 80. Si 9, dahil siya ay nasa hundreds place, ang value niya ay 900. Si 6, dahil siya ay nasa thousands place, siya ay 6,000. Then si 4, dahil siya ay 10,000s place, ang kanyang value ay 40,000. At si 3 naman, dahil siya ay nasa 100,000s place, ang kanyang value ay 300,000. Next, let's identify the place values and values of 399,620. So let's read again according to its place values. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. Okay, so in the ones place, we have 0. In the tens place, we have 2. In the hundreds place, we have 6. In the thousands place, we have 9. In the 10,000s place, we have 9. And in the 100,000s place, we have 3. So now, let's put the values of these digits. Since ang 0 is in the ones place, it is 0. Ang 2 is in the tens place, it is 20. Ang 6 ay in the hundreds place, ang value niya ay 600. Ang 9 is in the thousands place, ang kanyang value ay 9,000. And the other 9, since ang kanyang place values is 10,000s, the value is 90,000. And number 3, since it is in the 100,000s place, the value is 300,000. Next, let's identify the place value and value of 206,785. Again, let's read. According to its place values, we have ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, and 100,000s. So the number in the ones place is 5. In the tens place is 8. In the hundreds place is 7. In the thousands place we have 6. In the 10,000s place is 0. And in the 100,000s place is 2. Now, let's put the values of these numbers. In number 5, since sa ones place siya, it is 5. Ang 8, since nasa tens place, it is 80. Ang 7, dahil siya ay nasa hundreds place, it is 700. Number 6, since it is in the thousands place, it is 6,000. Then 0, since nasa 10,000 siya, and it is 0, the answer is 0. Then number 2, since it is in the 100,000 place, the value is 200,000. So that's all for today. Wait for your activity